Toyota Corolla Altis 2022 for sale. Full genuine home used car urgent sell. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am presenting a Toyota Corolla Altis 2022 which is in outclass condition and 100% original full genuine car. This is a perfect option for those people who are searching for a Toyota Corolla Altis 2022 for sale in Pakistan, especially buyers looking for a home use car urgent sale. This Corolla Altis has been carefully driven and maintained, making it a reliable and value-for-money sedan. The car has 61,000 kilometers driven, which is absolutely reasonable for this model and year, and it is a second-owner vehicle with complete and clear documents. If you are searching for a genuine Corolla Altis 2022, low-mileage Corolla Altis, or a family sedan for home use, then this car deserves your full attention. The exterior condition of this Toyota Corolla Altis 2022 is 100% original with factory paint, no touch-ups, no repaint, and no accidental history. The body lines, panels, and paint shine clearly show that this is a well-kept home-use car. Headlights, taillights, bumpers, mirrors, and glasses are all original, which is a big plus for buyers searching for an original Toyota Corolla Altis for sale. The interior of the car is also full genuine and extremely neat and clean. Seats, dashboard, steering wheel, door panels, and roof lining are all in excellent condition with no wear and tear. This car is non-smoker driven and ideal for family use, office use, and long route travel. If you are looking for a comfortable and reliable sedan, this Corolla Altis 2022 is one of the best options available in the market. The engine is 100% original and sealed, giving smooth performance with no abnormal sound or vibration. The drive quality is excellent, suspension is comfortable, and steering response is very smooth, which makes this car perfect for city driving as well as highway use. Toyota Corolla Altis is known for its durability, fuel efficiency, and long-term reliability, and this vehicle fully represents those qualities. The air conditioning is powerful and chilled, ensuring comfort even in peak summer conditions. This is a complete family car with spacious interior, strong road grip, and premium driving feel. All documents are clear and ready for transfer, making this an ideal urgent sale option for serious buyers. The demand for this Toyota Corolla Altis 2022 is 54.75 lakhs, and please note that this is a final demand considering the original condition, low mileage, and genuine status of the car. If you are searching on YouTube for Toyota Corolla Altis 2022 urgent sale, Corolla Altis home use car, genuine Corolla Altis for sale, or low mileage Corolla Altis Pakistan, then this video is exactly for you. This is a buy and drive car with no work required at all. For further details, inspection, or booking, contact on the number mentioned in the description. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who are looking for a home use car urgent sale or a Toyota Corolla Altis 2022 in genuine condition. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.